Did you know that breath awareness is a type of yoga? Most people think that yoga is all about movement of the body, and that certainly is a type of yoga. But a focus on your breathing, breath awareness, is also a type of yoga. And I'd like to offer you today a breathing practice that you might enjoy, trying especially on a day maybe or a time when you're particularly anxious or nervous, maybe you're about ready to give a speech, or you just have a lot going on. If you can take a few moments and try this breathing practice, you might notice that things calm down just a little bit. So all I ask you to do is take some sort of a seat. I'm here on a bolster to help me sit more upright, so there's more space for my breathing. But you can do this in a chair, in a sofa. You could even do it lying down, perhaps before you go to sleep. But I'm going to take this in a seat. This is called square breathing, and it's a focus on the inhale, the pause, the exhale, and a pause. And each of those 4 steps lasts the same amount of time, so hence a square. You could say, breath in, the hold, breath out, and the hold. So it goes something like this. As you breathe in, maybe you count to say 4. Inhaling, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pausing, holding that breath for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling on a count of 1, 2, 3, 4. And then pausing at the bottom of that exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just do that one more time. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. And pause, 1, 2, 3, 4. You may breathe a little faster than that. You may breathe a little slower than that. Just see what is a natural count for your inhale. See where you can comfortably hold, hopefully about the same amount of time as it took you to breathe in. Let that breath go, about the same number of counts, and then pause at the bottom of the exhale. Give this a try, square breathing. I hope you find that it gives you a little more calmness in your day.